Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we re-updating you on the bail hearing of controversial businessman Vusimuzi Cat Matlala back in the Alexandra Magistrate Court, and the courtroom drama is intense. Let's dive in. Cat Matlala, aged 49, is accused of ordering a hit on his ex-girlfriend, actress and socialite Tebogo Thobejane, in December 2023. He faces multiple charges including attempted murder, conspiracy to murder, and money laundering. The state is resisting bail strongly, citing serious red flags in his affidavit, alleged false identity use, destroyed phones, and suspicious movements. Today the bail application continued. The court heard a WhatsApp message from Matlala to his lawyer dated December 22, 2024 asking, "Can I come out of hiding?" And later, "Please advise, can I go home to Eswatini as I am still in hiding?" The state says Matlala used a false Eswatini identity under the surname Dlamini and tied that identity to an old cell phone number, raising serious questions about whether he was trying to mislead investigators. There were claims that Matlala made multiple trips into Eswatini on foot, but Home Affairs records show returns from some of those trips. The state says that inconsistency raises doubts about his version of events. Further, the state flagged that Matlala reportedly destroyed his phone and his wife's phone, which the defense says undermines any credibility or transparency. Cat Matlala's legal team pushed back hard. They argue there is no direct forensic evidence, no fingerprints or ballistics tying him to the crime. Matlala claims that police tampered with his phones and planted false information, his lawyer said, and that the police delayed returning his and his wife's phones, giving inadequate time for forensic experts to review them. Defense also questioned the state's narrative about Matlala going into hiding. They challenged whether using a fake Eswatini ID was really evidence of flight risk or simply a misunderstanding. Court security was visibly tight. Heavy police presence, high tension. The state painted Matlala as a flight risk and danger to society, pointing to his multiple trips across the border, alleged fake identity use, and destruction of phones as evidence. Matlala, by contrast, maintained he's innocent, denied involvement in the alleged hit, and says the charges are built on speculation and circumstantial evidence. After hours of argument, Magistrate Dita Prinsloo postponed the matter for formal judgment, set for 17th of September at 11 SAU. So, what should you keep an eye on as this case unfolds? The judge's decision on bail. Will Matlala remain in custody until trial? Or will the court decide he can be released pending trial? Whether the defense can successfully challenge the WhatsApp and Home Affairs evidence, and whether Matlala's alleged use of fake identity and destroyed phones will count against him or be seen as reasonable caution. If bail is granted, what conditions will the court impose? Will the court require strict electronic monitoring, passport surrender, travel restrictions, or possibly a large surety? How Matlala's defense will handle the allegations of using a false identity and allegedly going into hiding, if they can cast reasonable doubt on the narrative the state is presenting.